Most people think of yoga as something that helps calm the mind, but there is more to it than you think. If done with dedication and discipline, yoga can help you lose weight and stay in shape. Yoga may be intended as a way to calm the mind, but it also is a great way to get in shape and drop some weight. Along with weight loss, yoga also helps to relieve stress, which is one of the main causes of weight gain. When practiced regularly, it leaves you feeling relaxed, fresh and focused. Here are easy yoga poses that you can do anywhere anytime and lose weight. These yoga poses can be excellent for anyone looking to get back in shape. From fat loss, building endurance, making you more flexible, regular yoga sessions will do your body a whole lot of good. Number 1 pose is boat pose. As the name suggests, your body looks like a boat when in this position. To perform the asana, lie flat on the ground with your hands by your side. Now slowly lift your upper body and legs, such that your body forms a V shape. Keep your hands straight, parallel to the ground. Stay in the position for 10 to 20 seconds. This yoga pose is a whole body exercise, which torn up your core and enhances muscle strength. It strengthens the muscles and promotes metabolism. Thus burns down more calories and promotes weight loss. This pose is a popular exercise that strengthens abdominal muscles and helps develop six-pack abs. Second pose is the cobra pose. Also known as Bhujangasana, it is almost akin to a snake's pose. It is good to reduce the fat of your upper body and abdominal muscles. To perform this pose, lie flat on your stomach with forehead on the ground and palms underneath the shoulders. Using the back and belly muscles, lift your body off the floor slowly while inhaling. Straighten your arms keeping shoulder blades pressed against your back. Stretch your neck while looking at the ceiling. Lift your hips off the floor by a couple of inches. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds, exhale and return to starting position. Upward dog, or upward facing dog, is a great pose for engaging your upper body, since your arms, shoulders, and back will all need to work together. It's also a great stretch for your abs and chest. This posture primarily works on strengthening your abdominal muscles and relaxing your lower back. Third pose is downward facing dog. This pose tones your whole body with a little extra attention to specific muscles. It helps to strengthen your arms, thighs, hamstring and back. Holding this pose and concentrating on your breathing engages your muscles and tones them, as well as improves your concentration and blood circulation. Get on your hands and knees, setting knees directly below hips and hands slightly ahead of shoulders. Spread palms and index fingers, and keep toes turned under. As you exhale, keep knees slightly bent and lift them up from the floor. Lengthen the tailbone and lightly press it towards the pubis. Push thighs back and stretch heels towards the floor. Straighten knees but do not lock them. Firm the outer thighs and outer arms, and press palms actively into the floor. Hold this pose for 1 to 3 minutes, exhale and bend knees to the floor and come to rest in child's pose. Holding this pose actively engages your core, making it a great yoga to reduce belly fat, and strengthen and tone the abdominals. These are just some of the yoga postures that can aid in weight loss. However, as you all probably know already, the best way to achieve your desired, healthy weight is still through proper diet and a healthy lifestyle, in which yoga may just be one aspect. Which among these poses are your favorite? Let us know below.